For this installation you will need a trim tool. Open the trunk. And locating the trunk light. Use the trim tool to pry the side that facing the rear. There are 4 clips holding the lens. Remember to align the clips correctly upon installation. Remove the incandescent bulbs. Install the all-new LED light bulbs. And test it. First, insert the side that facing the trunk. You will hear 2 clips snap in. Then snap in the other side. These new LED bulbs are so much brighter than the incandescent bulbs. When measuring by light meter, the LED light is 5 times brighter than incandescent light. It makes a huge difference in lighting up the entire trunk area all the way to the floor.